Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make your sketch glow in Photoshop. First, duplicate your sketch layer by pressing Ctrl or Command-J. This keeps your original safe. Next, right-click the new layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows for flexible edits. Finally, invert the colors by pressing Ctrl or Command-I. This step is crucial for the glow effect. Now, let's add some blur. Go to Filter, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. A small window will pop up. Adjust the radius slider to around 5 to 15 pixels. The exact number depends on your image size and desired glow intensity. You want a soft, diffused look, not a sharp edge. Click OK when you're happy with the preview. With the blur applied, change the blending mode of your blurred layer to Color Dodge in the Layers panel. This mode makes the light areas brighter and adds intensity. Next, create a new empty layer above it. Fill this new layer with the color you want your glow to be. A bright blue, green, or yellow often works wonderfully for a vibrant effect. To refine the color, set the blending mode of your color layer to color. This will tint the glow without overpowering it. You can also adjust the opacity of both the blurred and color layers to fine-tune the glow's intensity. For more control, add a layer mask to the blurred layer and paint with black to hide the glow in specific areas or white to reveal it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.